Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back in the building with another motherfucking video. Today's video, I'm gonna be installing this HOTCOMB unit. Nobody can come for me, nobody can try to come for me ever, because let me tell you guys, this lace, this unit is just on another motherfucking level. Today I'm gonna install this unit and do all that good stuff. If you guys want to know more about this unit and how I installed it and all that, don't forget to stay tuned. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe. Don't know why you're watching and not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. Also make sure your notifications are turned on as well. So yeah, enough of me rambling. Alright guys, so we are back. Okay, if I'm looking crazy at myself, y'all, it's because of course I'm trying the new color out of context. It is what it is. But anyway, that's not what we're here talking about today. Today we do have a wig that I'm going to be installing. This is from Wowafrican, okay? When you open the box, this is a little spiel. Who told you to fall? Yeah, it says item number HW05, hair color natural, and the length is 20. Look at this scalp. Look at this scalp. Definitely giving a scalp. Look how beautiful that is. I don't know if you guys can see it from that angle, but they gave us a part. Look how freaking nice that part is. Y'all see that part? Come through. And this is just the hair, okay? So as you guys can see, this is what the unit is looking like when I placed it on. It is looking good. Now I don't even know what I'm doing today, honest. I don't know. I think I can do it. This part though, giving me so much life, was so clean and crisp. So let me go ahead and cut off this lace, because this lace is actually like in my way. You're looking a little crazy, but we gonna fix it. Okay, I'm telling you, you gotta really, what's that saying? Everybody's saying trust the process. You really have to trust the process, because at first you don't know how it's gonna turn out and look. Because right now I just look completely insane. As you guys can see, this, it blends in very well with my forehead. Like you can just see it's melted. And I'm going in with this new setting spray. Look, is we doing our makeup or are we doing our hair? I'm going in with this melting spray with humidity resistance. This is Ultra Hold. Now as you guys can see, I am getting some shedding during this process, and I'm also getting a little bit of tangling. This hair, I feel like honestly that it could use a co-washing. It feels a little dry, not gonna lie. It feels a little tidbit dry, but most units need a co-washing before installing. I don't ever do that, but I feel like they could use it, a co-wash. So this is how much of the hair came out. Okay, so I'm using my Hoola Toasted Benefit bronzer. Alright guys, so I did let it sit for a few minutes, not as long as I normally let it sit. I don't want the hair too wet, but I do want to make sure all of it has water on it, so my curls can be very defined. Now this is like a loose deep wave. I'm not sure, y'all. I'm up here lying. I just know it's a looser texture curl, so it's not going to be giving all that. And I'm just going to use the Curl Reviver. This is by Got To Be Glue. Sis, if you don't feel like co-washing your hair, this will bring your curls to life. It'll give it so much moisture. I love using this stuff. I love it, and it smells. When I tell you guys this stuff smells so bomb, it smells a bomb. But I like to scrunch up my hair during this whole process because, like I said, it helps the curl pattern be very, very defined. And then I'm just going in with my Frizz Taming cream. This is by Aussie. Y'all, this smells good as well. And this helped my hair not to become frizzy throughout my day. But y'all, it's midday now. It's about to be 4 o'clock. I am late filming today. Alright guys, so this is actually the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just going to give you guys a quick overall view of my thoughts of this hair from the start. From unpackaging it, the hair felt soft. I noticed that it felt a wee bit dry, so it could have used a co-wash upon taking it out the box. When I went in to install the unit for the first time, I noticed how flawless this lace was. Okay, I noticed that from unboxing, but when I installed it, I don't know what type of lace it is they use, but I'm completely obsessed. You have to look real hard to see I don't know if it's this Swiss lace or what, but I'm obsessed because you don't see them little squares, that you see the grids and the lace. You don't see that with this lace. You really have to get very, 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 very up close in person to see them, and that it's just like you have to get way up there. You have to be looking. But I noticed with the other laces that I've tried with the grids, you can see them, y'all. Like you can see them from like here to here. But this, I'm completely obsessed. Now they did go ahead and bleach the knots, and they did pre-pluck the lace. I did not do any customizations besides what I did to the baby hairs. Didn't go in and pluck it any extra or anything like that. I noticed there were a few flyaways as well, but if that bothers you, you can take a little bit of your Got2b glue and go ahead and secure it down. Me and curly hair with the flyaways, they're not bad at all, but I don't really like to I'll put mousse on it instead of Got2b glue to lay those ones that are sticking up a little bit, and that's not an issue as well. When it came to detangling for the first time, I did get a few tanglings here and there. I do expect that from when you first detangle the hair from the first time. However, I feel that as though I needed to co-wash it, I felt like I got a little bit more tangling than I would have if I went in and co-washed this unit first. So let me say that. I did get shedding as well. I did show you guys the shedding when I first detangled it for the first time. I also got more shedding as I went in to do my curly hair routine. Now the shedding is not like, oh my gosh, it's habitual. Every time you run your hands through, there is a strand of hair. No, once you fully detangle the hair, you don't have to worry about shedding. Of course it's going to shed periodically, but is that a word? Yeah, periodically, but it's not gonna continue to shed every time you're touching and doing stuff like that. Y'all, this is a perfect unit. I feel like this unit is bomb.com for everyday wear. The density is not too thick nor too thin. It's just perfect. Okay. Yeah, I love the curl pattern. Like I said, it's a looser texture than what I've been wearing here lately. I know I've been doing the heck out of curly hair, but y'all know curly hair is pretty much for the winter. So yeah, I really enjoyed working with this unit. So yeah, all the products and everything that I did use will be listed down in the description section below. I really love this melting spray too, but I have to give this a little bit more time and usage so I can get a feel of it before I give like a full review on that spray. But yeah, that was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.